Beatrix Potter, the author and illustrator of the Peter Rabbit stories, was an avid gardener. In her poem, We Have a Little Garden, she expressed her childlike delight in a shared garden and seems to invite children to plant and tend little gardens of their own. We have a little garden, a garden of our own, and every day we water there the seeds that we have sown. We love our little garden and tend it with such care. You will not find a faded leaf or blighted blossom there. What benefit does gardening have for young children? And how can caregivers best bring gardening experiences to young children? MontessoriNature.com lists 9 benefits of gardening with young children. Gardening engages all the senses. Gardening encourages children to eat healthier. Gardening enhances fine motor development. Gardening introduces children to science. Gardening reduces stress. Gardening teaches young ones patience and focus. Gardening teaches children the responsibility of preserving the environment. Gardening nourishes self-confidence. Gardening with toddlers bonds the family. One need not have lots of space to start a garden, and it need not be costly. One small garden box, a big pot, or even a small pot is enough. Start where you are. Do what you can. First, let your child help pick out the plants and seeds. We're here at Bald Mountain Nursery in Browns Valley, browsing seeds and fruit and vegetable plant starts. Or you may want to order online and have your seeds and starts delivered to your home. Next, help your child plant the seeds and starts. Water and observe daily. Young children will be fascinated with the sprouting of seeds and the growth and change of plants. Take note of garden events such as when a plant blooms or sets fruit or changes in size or color. Finally, help your child harvest their garden. They will be delighted to eat the fruits and vegetables they have grown themselves.